Hi friend, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here to join me today. Today I'm excited because all week I've been working on putting those little touches of Valentine in my home decor and transitioning slowly everything to spring. So I've not gone all out spring yet, but you will see a tiny bit of that also in this video. So I have a few more projects to work on to finish up my Valentine stuff, and then we will do a Valentine home tour. So we're heading outside first to look for some flowers. If I can't find anything outside, then we're gonna head to Trader Joe's, my favorite place to get flowers. And then we've got to run by Hobby Lobby. I'll show you why in a minute. But let's grab that basket over there because that's my flower picking basket, and we'll head outside. Okay, so it looks like we're headed to Trader Joe's to get some flowers, but next week I'll be able to use those pretty flowers. So we can't go to Hobby Lobby without looking at some Valentine's decor. Okay, so let's head over to the ribbon because that's what I actually came for, and I'll show you why in a little bit. So let's talk about the next project. So I recently took Corinthians 13:4-6 and I made a poster, ordered it from Walgreens, and I'm gonna offer this as a printable for free on my website. So definitely, if you like this kind of stuff, definitely go check the link in the description to the free printable. You have to subscribe to my newsletter to get it, but my newsletter will tell you when new YouTube videos come out. It'll tell you when we have a new blog post. So we're going to decoupage it to get rid of the shininess and give it kind of more of a true art look. And then we'll put it in that frame. So it's day 2. I ordered this from Walgreens. After you download it from my website, you can order it, a poster on Walgreens. And most of the time there's a 50% off coupon. You just have to look around for it. So I paid like 10 bucks. Then I brought it home and I rubbed decoupage, brushed decoupage on it to kind of get, I'm not sure if you can see it, to get a brush stroke look to it. Then I put it in a frame I thrifted. So we're gonna put this on the mantle. We're gonna finish the ribbon on the mantle, and then I think oh, and then we have some flowers because I did go to Trader Joe's and I got some flowers. So let's finish up these projects and we'll do the tour.
Now let's add some ribbon to the front of the fireplace.
So in case you're wondering about this ribbon, I pick it up at Hobby Lobby and it's like silk. It has a silk finish to it. And this is antique white. I thought I didn't want a ribbon to like jump out at you. I wanted something subtle. So I went with antique white so that it still contrasted a little bit with the white. And the way I hang this is with tape.
It's day 3 and we're going to do the flower arrangements today. Now let's light the candles and begin the home tour. Thank you so much for joining me here at Life on Summer Hill. I hope you have enjoyed decorating and shopping with me, and most of all, this Valentine home tour. There will be links in the descriptions to all the printables, the garland, paper crafts. So check us out and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future episodes. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!